Find homeschooling materials and resources. Homeschooling materials and resources are abundantly available in every area of life and academia. There are hundreds of resources, with new resources becoming available every day. Use these tips to find homeschooling material resources for yourself and your children. Go to homeschooling conventions. You will very likely be bombarded with an astronomical amount of information at homeschooling conventions. Bring a small rolling suitcase for information and items you may want to buy immediately. You will also need to bring a notebook to write down things you want to investigate further. Search the Internet. Do an Internet search for free subject resource. You will be sure to find what you need with a little patience. You will want to look past the first pages for newer and little-known information. Join email lists and newsletters. Get on the email lists for local and national email groups. You may want to get a separate free email address to use for these subscriptions. You will learn about local plays, museum offerings, contests, and private lessons as well. Subscribe to magazines. Homeschool magazines and periodicals will keep you abreast of new happenings in the homeschooling community. In addition to homeschooling magazines, you will also want to get general teacher and education periodicals as well. Join Internet homeschooling and educational organizations. Get homeschooling news, legal information, and other information as soon as it is available. Use word of mouth. Speak to other homeschoolers regularly. Let them know what you need for your children. Ask them to notify you if they come across it. Read books. Purchase or borrow several newly written books on homeschooling each year. Many homeschooling books include a resource section. Think outside of the box. All resources that are good for homeschoolers are not created for homeschoolers. Look for general educational and teaching information. Look for scouts and sport groups, and dance lessons as well. Approach sports organizations and activity coordinators about adding a daytime slot to their schedules. If enough homeschool friends are interested, you will have no problem securing such a situation. Some resources you will want to watch for include basic information for new homeschoolers, homeschool organization information and planners, support group information and conferences, homeschooling product reviews, free items for homeschoolers, free lessons and unit studies, national and local academic and artistic contests, educator discounts, worksheets, community sports activities, community and YMCA classes, home organization and quick meal ideas, to give you more time for teaching and learning. Required tools: notebook, internet library card, bookstore, discount card, network of homeschooling friends. Caution: do not limit yourself to homeschooling information only. Think out of the box. Quick tips: keep a special notebook or database to compile information on homeschooling resources.